Hi everyone, my name is Sophia. Welcome back to CIPO Software Features, where we break down tools designed to make your job easier. Today we're talking about something that sounds simple but makes a huge difference: standardization. As construction projects grow in complexity, standardizing your processes is key to staying efficient, reducing those errors, and hitting deadlines. With CIPO, you can create consistent workflows across every project, every time, so your team knows what to expect and how to execute. For greater consistency, set up customized project types with business frameworks built around your internal processes. This helps maintain uniformity across programs while still allowing flexibility where it matters. CIPO lets you create and reuse standardized forms, checklists, RFIs, and more. That means no more reinventing the wheel. Your team gets a clear, consistent process, reducing errors and rework from project to project. And with predefined roles and automated notifications, everyone gets what they need when they need it without manual follow-ups. This keeps teams aligned and projects moving forward. In our latest release, CIPO now supports Power BI paginated reports directly in the platform. This gives you access to standardized, detailed reporting that improves visibility, decision-making, and compliance. Standardization sets the foundation for smoother operations and even future innovations like AI. It's a small shift with big benefits, and CIPO is here to help you make it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check out our blog for more on this topic. See you next time.